Okay, this is a recording demonstrating this vanity phone and number domain name and vanity phone and name. At the same time, I want to also demonstrate PickyBot is video recording or video recognition software. So I'm going to record it with the camera software that comes with Windows 11. In addition to that, I want to record it also with the screen recorder, MSN Recorder Max. So start the recording here. I want to have full screen, and then I want to copy the file name, the recording file name, to the clipboard buffer, Control C, and start recording. And now that I got it recorded there, I want also to position it in the left corner, and I want to open a Word document to document it. So I'm going to try to open a Word document where I already documented some notes about PixieBot and various other issues that are related to PixieBot. But I cannot find it here yet, so I'm not sure which file will be best to be used. This is an RTF Word file that I was using for my notes, and I'm going to copy it, Control V. This is the video file name that I've just started producing. So I may embed it in the file name as I'm continuing with the presentation. So I'm going to save it, and I will use this for my notes, and also a notepad folder that deals with today's presentation is also mislabeled as 5.5. This is May 5th, where I might have started the folder. I'm going to make a new version of it for today's presentation. But before I continue any further, I want to leave the video file name in the presentation and update it with today's date and time. Also has to do something with the Microsoft phone link, which we will deal with another time. Let me save this one first and see if there are any other text files that are more relevant. I want to have something about PixieBot. Here is a repurpose PixieBot that will be more appropriate. So let's see if I can go to the top of this file and paste it here. Also Control V. Since it deals with PixieBot already, repurposing PixieBot, I'm going to save it. Try to add a copy of it into my file name here. So I'll try to combine it and see if it can handle such a long file name. So I'm going to append it at the end, Control V. I want to append it at the end without my video. Okay, so that should be one file name, and that is going to be to the, initially I'm going to store it in the PickyBot, in the AI subfolder, but I want it actually to be the leading item in the file, unlike the way that it is now. Delete my video. Okay, let's see. This is, don't like to have this extension there, so I'm going to separate them for now. I want to save it there, edit, copy, file, save as, V, with the AI subfolder, copy to the clipboard buffer, backslash there. Let's see if that can possibly work. Go to the very beginning. Then in the AI subfolder, insert a backslash right there and pray. Let's see if that works. Copy to the clipboard buffer and then save. And that was working fine, so that is going to be the current and new title at the top of the page. File, save. So now another thing that I can do is I can also insert the file in my notes here as a text file. Control V with the video file name in the beginning and save it. So now I have it in a Word document. And this Word document also, I'm going to include in it the file name, the video file name that I'm creating right now. Control copy and insert it at the beginning. Control V. Now grab the whole thing and see if I can save it with the video file name in the beginning, embedded at the beginning. Copy to the clipboard buffer, then go File, Save As, Browse, go to the very start. Now it's going to be an RTF type of file. Paste. Grab the path, copy it to the clipboard buffer and insert it at the beginning. Control V and backslash. Now let's see if it works. Copy, save. And then go to the top of the file to insert the entire strings, which is made out of Control V, the entire file with the video file name. And I'd like to make the font a lot smaller so it doesn't spread all over this place. So instead of 44 font type, let's say I make it large enough. That will be the title of the file for now. Bold, italic, and so on. Bold, italic, and underline to make it stand out. Save. Now that I've done all of that, my recording is still going on. The next thing that I want to do, I want to record PSAR, Problem Step Recorder. So I'm going to run Problem Step Recorder. Start Problem Step Recorder. Make sure I change the settings, so I check the setting and increment it from 25 to 999. And then click OK. and then start recording. So now I'm recording with Psar, which is problem step recorder, creating an audit trail, and I want to add it to my PowerPoint as a new PowerPoint. So I'm going to pop up my PowerPoint notes, scroll to the end, insert a new slide. That slide will be called, first let me insert the slide. From the current slide, I want to go to the insert function on PowerPoint, select a new slide, and select the slide that contains a comparison. Take this slide, and here I will add the name of the program, psar.exe, in the title. Problem step recorder executable. Problem step executable. This is a sort of an audit trail. So the topic would really be audit trail, trail, psar, problem step recorder executable, plus video recognition. Video recognition. This example include PickyBot, PickyBot, video recognition. So it will be AI audit trail, psar.exe problem step recorder executable, plus a video recognition PickyBot. The URL is actually pickybot.com. Okay, so now I want to save it, and I want to demonstrate what I already did by downloading it, going to the email client and downloading it and playing it back. So I'm going to go to a browser, and here in the browser I want to go to the email client. So I'm looking for Gmail, go to the inbox. Here in Gmail, in the inbox, I want to navigate to PixieBot. So I want to navigate to PixieBot, and here is one PixieBot. So I click on the hyperlink. This is the PixieBot hyperlink. I'm going to copy that into the clipboard buffer. Full copy. And that will go into Word because it has various issues related to hyperlinks. So I'm going to open the Word document, and also the Excel spreadsheet. So let's start from the Word document first. The Word document that I'd like to use is a Word document that contains issues related to Piggyback. I'm not sure that I can find it right here. So maybe I should edit first to the text file. Let's see if I can find this file that includes repurposing. Here it is, repurposing. That will be the text part of it. It's about repurposing PixieBot. I'll demark it with the open brace. Control V to paste. And then enter and close brace. And now file save. And then if I can, I will repeat it again in a Word document so it keeps some more features. Not sure which one I should use here. 517. Let's go to, it's really a challenge to figure out what is what. Let's go to this one since it was the one that I was using most recently now. Including about this video. I have to change the font. This font is way too large. So I'm going to change the font from 44 to maybe 12 or 14. Let's try 14 first. And then make some open braces. Control V to paste the content of the email. And close braces. Then I'll mark it with a color it. Let's color it yellow for now and save. Now I want to go back to the email address. I have the Word document and I have text document, and now I want to go and open up this email address to record what it's from whom to whom. The subject is PiggyBot. I'm copying that to the clipboard buffer, and then I'm going to go to the Word document first. Insert it after the email here. Control V. So here it is, and save. Then I go to the notepad, the one that is entitled Repurpose PiggyBot. And after the to me message, paste the email information and file save. And finally, I want to go to the PowerPoint, to the last PowerPoint that I was using, and insert it into the PowerPoint on the left-hand side. Control V, the email message comes out so. I just want the text. I don't want all these special characters. This is why I do it in multiple forms, so I can go to plain text and just copy it. Just copy the plain text. I don't want to have all those other other graphics characters. This is all I want to have, so I want to paste it just in here, just the text, and delete this graphics image. Delete it, and now I got what I want. I just want to show this PixieBot email message. So this is the PixieBot email message. Email message. Okay, it has a description, and which of course I don't have enough space to include here. I want to save this, and then on the other side, I'm going to let's drag it down a little bit. I want to go back to my email and see if I can go to the next email. So I want to go back to the email that contains the video file and download it. So here is PixieBot. Let's see if I can open it again. And this time I want to see couldn't preview file. There was a problem playing this video. Okay. So I want to download the video, and let's see if that is going to work. So I want to click download and see if I can download the video. And it says that compressed video has been downloaded. So I want to double click it and see if that will work, if I can play that. This is a planting the seeds that of the papaya that I just ate hands-free from a neck, born in bed shorting lanyard. I found. Okay, so couldn't preview it. I downloaded it. I don't know what I need a zip extractor for. But anyways, I got it now in my download subfolder. Let's minimize this and go to the download subfolder. Here's the document subfolder. And in the download subfolder here I have that compressed video that I downloaded just now, and I played directly, make sure it is the same thing. This is a planting the seeds. And it is the same thing. So I'm going to copy it from here. I want to copy it. Copy. And insert it into this devcon subfolder. So paste it in here. Control V to paste. And obviously that didn't work. So I'm going to go back, select it again, unselect the next folder, right mouse click, copy, then go inside the folder, see if I can paste, and paste. So here it is, which means that I can repeat the same thing for the folder that has the video file in it. So now when I go to Documents, scroll down to my subfolder that is related to this event, which is called DevCon. I'm looking for D, the letter D for DevCon 2025. It is 2025. Go inside and paste here, Control V, the file again. So here I got it. Now I want to insert it into my PowerPoint. Control C to copy. And I'll start from my notepad until I construct a complete path and file name. So I want to go to my notepad file, to the one repurpose Pixie. And here I'm going to put in, here's the description. The description and the file name don't match quite well. But anyways, the mechanics are the same. So I have the path here, and the file name also remains the same. So I got the file name. Now I want to pick up the file name that I downloaded. That will be in my download subfolder. I want to take this name and pretend that I want to rename it. Then I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer. Then go back to my notepad and paste it. Now I got a complete video file name that I can take and edit and copy to the clipboard buffer. Now, you see, this is the problem with Microsoft. They don't have the sense to check what they're doing. So I want to display the copy command right here. I have to lower the entire document down. Otherwise, the screen is cutting it. Now I want to insert the video file name into my PowerPoint. So I'm going back to the PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to try to find another text file, and in it embed the video file name. So I'm going to insert a text box, and this text box is going to be in the very bottom here of my folder. Later on I may move it around a bit, and in it I'm going to have the Control V is my text file. Actually, I'd like to drag it down a little bit. So this is the text file, and here I want to embed the video itself. So I'm trying to insert a video file. Insert. image. I'm looking for a video, picture, screenshot, photo album, images. I don't know, a media, maybe insert a media here. Let's see. A video. Yes. And the video, I don't know what I got there. It hides. So I want a media, insert a video, this device, paste the path, and click insert and see what happens. Compress video file not found. Okay. So I can navigate to it. How do I navigate to the file name from the download? So I want to go to the download, open download, and here I have DevCon 25, or the one in my documents or folder. Open the documents of folder. I want to put it in the same folder where the PowerPoint is so that it will be playable from the PowerPoint. So I'm going to scroll down to the letter D for DevCon 2025. And then here I want to insert it. Compressed, here it is. And insert. Let's see what happens now. So now here you can see the video file. Now if I want to play this one, I can also try to move it to the left. I want to save it first. Then I want to play this one video file and one slide. So I want to go to slideshow and say, from current slide, I want to play it. And when I click on this hyperlink, this is a planting the seeds that I of this papaya that I just Okay, so now that is a problem because it's not the right video file name. So what I want to do is I want to download another one. Maybe it is there. Maybe I didn't upload it properly. I'm going to go back to the email client, go back to my email and see why did I not get the latest and greatest. I may have to re-upload it. So I mean refresh, reload. So I'm reloading again. Let's see if I can get another me hearty me picky bot. Let's see this picky bot. That's not it. Birthday. Open detailed view. Open detailed view. Let's rush you. Completely irrelevant. Here's another picky bot. Let's see what this is. Playing this video also a problem. If I download this one too, that's 5. Double click it to play it back. This is episode 4 of cutting, processing, eating the mango, and then grab this dish, take the mango that is almost finished, I've almost finished eating it. This is perfect.